like Lego. I'll show you the things. This is for firing missiles. And this is for making noise. And this is making a lot of noise. The head! The body! And then this is a grappling hook. You could just swing on it. You could swing on it. Huh? Because it doesn't have a toe. It doesn't have a grappling hook. But you could just swing across to up there. But you could just control the feet by moving your feet. But most of all,